In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a PowerPoint presentation in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're leading a team meeting, conducting a workshop, or simply sharing information with colleagues, knowing how to efficiently upload and present a PowerPoint is essential. Let's dive right in. First things first, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or laptop. You can log in using your account credentials if you haven't already done so. Once you're in the Teams interface, the next step is to navigate to the specific channel or chat where you want to share your PowerPoint presentation. This step is crucial because it ensures that the right audience has access to your materials. Channels are typically designated for departments or projects, while chats might be with specific colleagues or smaller groups. Now pay attention to the message box at the bottom of your Teams window. Below this box, you'll notice an array of icons that assist with various functions, one of which is the paperclip icon symbolizing attach. Clicking this icon is your gateway to uploading external files into Microsoft Teams. It's both intuitive and efficient. After clicking on the paperclip icon, you'll see a range of options available. For our task, you'll want to choose the option labeled Upload from my computer. Selecting this option will open your File Explorer, allowing you to locate the specific PowerPoint file you wish to share. Take a moment here to ensure you select the correct file, as this will save you any hassle later on. Once you have selected your file, double-click it or select Open to begin the upload process. Uploading might take a few moments depending on the size of your presentation and your internet connection speed, so just be patient. During this time, it's always a good practice to ensure that your presentation is precisely as you want it before sharing. Check for spelling errors, correct slides, and appropriate content. Once the file has successfully uploaded, it will appear in the chat or channel. To begin presenting it during a meeting, simply click on the file. This action will open your PowerPoint within Teams, allowing you to present it seamlessly. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the presentation controls in Teams, such as starting and stopping the presentation, navigating between slides, and any interactive features your slide deck may have. By following these steps, you're now well equipped to present a PowerPoint in Microsoft Teams. Remember, the key to smoothly executing this process lies in preparation and ensuring you're comfortable with Teams interface. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.